In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat directly on ClickUp 2026 Guide. Let's jump straight in. Start by opening ClickUp and heading to the list where you want to hold the conversation. Think of something like your sprints or backlog update list. This keeps your chat tied to the exact work you and your team are focused on, so everything stays in context. Once you're in the right list, look for the More menu. Depending on your layout, it often appears as 3 dots near the top of the view. Click that, and from the options that appear, choose Chat. This opens the chat experience connected to your current list, so you're not jumping between tools or losing track of decisions. When the chat panel opens, select the collaborators you want to include. Pick the people who need to be in the loop. No more, no less, so notifications stay relevant and the discussion remains focused. It's a small step that makes a big difference in keeping your team aligned. Now you're ready to type. Begin with a clear opening line that sets the context, like what task or sprint you're referring to and what decision or update you need. Keep it concise, but complete. If you're asking for input, be specific about what you need and by when. That clarity helps teammates respond faster and avoids back and forth later. Message composed? Great. But it doesn't end there. ClickUp's chat gives you more ways to enrich the conversation. If you need to share supporting materials, add an attachment. Use the upload option for files on your device, or pull directly from services like Dropbox or OneDrive. Attach the latest design, a spreadsheet, or a document draft so everyone sees the same source of truth. A quick tip: give your files clear names and, if needed, mention what changed since the last version. You can also mention tasks right inside the chat to anchor the discussion to real work. Link the task you're referencing so teammates can jump in, check subtasks, or review status without hunting around. Just like that, your message carries full context and reduces confusion. With everything typed and attached, give your message a quick review. Make sure the right collaborators are included, the task mentions point to the correct items, and the attachments are final. When it looks good, hit send at the bottom right to post your message. And that's it. You now know how to set up and use chats in ClickUp directly from the work you're doing. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more practical guides just like this. Cheers, and see you in the next one.